Hey everybody.
Hello.
Well, this morning we've come to do a bit of carp fishing. We come to a lake about an hour from home near this big town called Castelo Branco. And so today we've got 4 carp rods out, which is the most we're allowed with our 2 licenses. Kazzy's going to take the outside 2. I'm going to take the inner 2. And it's going to be a case of see who catches the first, the biggest and the most. And at the end of the day, potentially, if we do catch one, we might even take it home and eat it.
Not really looking forward to the prospect of that because as English people, we don't eat carp, but the Portuguese do eat it quite regularly. So
I think a lot of places in the world other than England eat carp quite regularly.
Yeah, but why don't we eat it?
Because it's like more of a sport fish.
It's a day fish.
Yeah, bottom feeder fish.
So I'm not really sure about this. But
Anyway, we'll see how we go. Who knows, at the end of the day we might be eating a bit of Thai carp curry.
Oh, it sounds delicious. I can't wait.
Let's see how we do. And looks like we got someone for dinner.
Yay!
Cassie's so delighted. Thanks, buddy.
Well done.
Turn the camera. Oh my lord, Cassie's on.
It's gone.
No? Ah, it's off. Alright, so that's a wrap. One fish at the end of the day. Cassie had one on her line for about a minute or so, but it was halfway through when I was peeling that carp, and
We weren't prepared.
yeah, we weren't ready for it, of course.
And I forgot to tighten the reel because we had it set quite loose.
Yeah, because we haven't got like, you know, a rod pod with running lines and everything. We'd set the drag fairly loose on the front of the reels. So as soon as she picked it up, maybe it didn't set the hook quite right. But in any case, he gone.
You win some, you lose some, and today, unfortunately,
That
I
fish
lost.
won. Oh, you lost.
Both ways. Martin caught a fish, and we're gonna have to eat carp.
Yay!
Not happy.
Anyway, stay tuned and we'll get into the kitchen. This was that other family. Lucky. And there's Anna. Hey everybody, well it's the following evening now, already done a hard day's work, for a Monday at least, so we thought about time to eat some of this delicious carp. Well, I got my rocket stove going here, and we're going to pan fry some of this stuff and see what it's like. Well, I've got a cast iron skillet here with a little bit of olive oil in it, so we'll just let that heat up for a minute. So I've never actually cooked carp before, and we thought it'd be best, rather than making a curry or something, in order to get the full authentic experience, we're just going to cook it pretty plain, maybe a bit of lemon, bit of oil, bit of butter, see how it goes. Tell you what, when this thing gets going, it's like a rocket engine coming out of there. So while that pan's heating up, I'll just tell you about this rocket stove. I whipped it up pretty much in a weekend after looking at pictures on the internet. I've never owned one or used one before, but it seemed like a fun project. And we had a lot of this steel left over from a building project, so I gave it a go. But I think in the future it would be a good idea if I made a bit of a modification to the top of it here. Again, I think I got the distance that the pan is away from the top of the chimney a bit too far away, so stay tuned. I might do a little update later on when I've changed that, so maybe I can adjust the height of it down and up a bit just to get the temperature where I need it. Okay, well, times like this I realise I probably should have started this process like an hour earlier before it got dark. However, it is what it is. I'll stick a bit of butter in there. And I think that's ready for Mr. Fishy. We'll try him skin side down first. So who reckons I should start a new YouTube channel? I can call it Cooking in the Dark with Mark. No? Okay. Okay, so darkness is truly setting in and my camera is struggling to see anything. But let's flip this bad boy over. Give it another 5 minutes and I think I might. Okay, so I brought it inside so you guys could actually see what was happening because it was getting a bit too dark.
It is actually bedtime, so...
Maybe I should have started a little bit earlier. Anyway, here we have it.
My first, thoughts are it does smell carpy.
What does it taste like? It might be damn delicious. You know, I do empathise a lot with the sentiment that, you know, if you put a lot of effort into something, it probably makes it taste even better, right? We put a lot of work into this.
I don't like fish. Well, I can eat some fish, but I'm not a very...
You're not a fan of fishy fish?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of fishy fish. For those people that don't like fish, you'll totally understand that. For everybody else, you'll just think I'm nuts. But, okay.
Anyway, in order to make it a little bit more palatable, I picked a lemon off the tree earlier. So, would you like some lemon?
Would I?
I've never had my carp without lemon or with lemon, so who knows?
If you don't hear from us, Martin's killed us with carp. So you can see it. This is what killed me off. Oh, it smells like fishy chicken.
Go on, you can do it.
Tastes like fishy chicken.
Well, there we have it, folks. She ate the carp. I'm going.
It's your turn.
Alright, let's see what this is
You'll
like.
love it because you love fish stuff. And that straight in is gold.
It tastes good. It does taste like chicken.
It does taste like chicken. It smells like chicken.
Fishy chicken.
Carpy.
Anyway, thank you all for watching. We're going to get stuck into dinner and we'll see you next time.
Let us know if you've got any recipes for carp that we should maybe try next
Yeah,
time.
plain carp, it's alright. Flavoured carp, it's going to be good. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm having some more.